What's your name?
Harley.
Harley. What's your last name? Can you tell Mama your name?
Harley.
Harley. What's your last name? Scott. What's your favorite color? Green. What's my name? Mama Scott? No. What's my name? Scott. And what's your name? Harley Scott. What are you making for dinner? What are you cooking? What are you making? Uh-oh, the stroller rolled, or the crayon rolled under the oven, didn't it? Uh-oh, present for the mice. Crayon. Uh-oh. What are you cooking? What is it? Are you making soup? You want to come look at the phone, don't you?
Huh?
Okay, say bye-bye.